Hello friends, welcome to Nira Techies. In this video, I am going to explain image upload in Angular application with progress bar implementation. Part of this video, I am going to cover the below topics. The first one is upload product image using this .NET Core Web API, and the second one is creating the model pop-up and the progress bar using this NG-Bootstrap template, and the third one is implementing this upload and progress bar. This is our core part. And the fourth one is image remove using this .NET Core services. Finally, we are showing all the notifications using this Alertify.js. Okay, now let me go to my application. The application is created based on my last video for showing the slider and previewing the image. So this is the output. So I will share the video link also in our description. So let me go to my product screen. Okay, here I loaded all the product information with image. So in the action side, we have the two options. One is for upload and remove. So okay, let me implement the functionality here. So actually I'm using this product component only. In the product component, you can see the table structure. And finally we have the upload and remove buttons. So here I'm going to write one function. So upload image. So I'm going to pass two parameters. So one is for the product code and another one is for the product image. So we have in the URL format. So let me pass it. And another one is remove image. For this remove image, the same parameter I'm going to pass. Instead of the image, I'm going to pass the name. Okay, let me define both the functions in our TS file. Otherwise, it will show some error. The similar way we can define our remove method also. So instead of image, here we are using this name. Okay, and the second thing is the design. Actually, I plan to give the some pop-up. So the pop-up is NG-Bootstrap pop-up. So this is the official site for the NG-Bootstrap. So we have the CLI command. Using this we have to install in our application. So these parts already I did. So let me go to the component side. So in the model, you can see the model pop-up. Let me go to the code. I am going to copy the whole content. So let me include in my product component in the last. So first we have the header section. Let me rename it upload image. And the second one is model body. So let me remove the existing content. So instead of MP3, I'm going to use the raw. That's it. The final one is model footer. So here, instead of the save, I'm going to write proceed upload. The click functionality proceed upload. So instead of this outline dark, I am going to use the primary. And we need to declare this function also, otherwise it will show the error. So whenever I am clicking this upload image, first we need to open the pop-up. So for opening the pop-up, we have the function is called open. So I already included, that's what I'm not explained. If you want that information also available in the API side, you can refer it. So now we can check our pop-up right now. Okay, great. And whenever the pop-up is opened, I want to preview the current image. So let me include some image classes here, and also we have the upload control. One image, and the classes are image responsive, and another one is the image thumbnail. So it will give some good look and feel. That's what I'm including the styles like this. If required, you can use your own classes. That's fine. Another main important control is the file upload. So input type is the file. Here I'm going to use the class is form control. In the image source, I'm go have to include one dynamic value, it's the product image. Then we have to assign the values into the product image. So whenever the upload starts time, we will get the image. So we can assign this one equal to image. Okay, we have done. Let me verify the pop-up once again. Okay, the image is not loaded. Let me verify it once again. So okay. So I did a mistake. Actually, if I'm using the property binding, it's fine. See now our pop-up is opened with an actual image and we have the file upload option also. Here you can choose any of the files. Okay, fine. So whenever I'm choosing the file, I want to see the selected file preview in the particular image section. For that, we have to include one more event. So I'm selecting the file from here. Now I'm going to include the event called change. So let me write one more function. So now we can define this function also. So the first thing is we have to declare the reader, I mean file reader. So the next thing is we have to read the file, read as data URL. Here I need to pass the exact file. So the file is available in the event.target. Okay, great. Now the reader.onload equal to, so this dot product image equal to reader.result. Okay, we have done it. Let me verify this one. Okay, I am just clicking this upload button. Instead of this image, I am going to select another image. See now, the preview also got changed. Okay, great. Now we have to proceed our upload. For that, we have to write in our services. So after that we can consume it. So already I have one created .NET Core services. For upload, we have to use this one. This is upload image, and for remove, we have to use the second services. So whenever I'm doing the upload function, I will try to debug and I will explain the logics in our API also. First, let me do some changes in our service side. So I'm going to use this same master service only. Here, I'm going to copy and create the two more functions. One is for upload image and another one is for remove image. Okay, for this upload image, basically we will get a file information. Okay, great. And this remove image, we will get the code only. First we can complete this upload. Basically this is the first method, and if it's the first method, we have to pass the data, I mean the input data. Okay, done. And the remove method, it's fine. Let me change the URL also. And so this is for remove. Okay, done. We have done our changes from our service side. So let me go to the product side, I mean our component. The first one is proceed upload. Okay. Here basically we have to send the data in the form data format. So let me declare the form data. So after that we have to append the values into the form data. So we are sending the file, the name, and the second thing is we have to pass the file. For getting the file, I already declared one variable here. This is file, but its value is not yet assigned. So let me tell you, before that I'm going to pass the value, this dot file, and the final one is the file name. For the file name, I'm going to use the product code. So this dot edit product code, that also already I defined in the top of that, but still we don't have the values for the files and edit product code. First let me add the values into the edit product code. This dot edit product code is equal to code. So whenever I'm clicking this upload image, automatically I will get these values. And it's a similar way, the on change time, I am getting the exact file. It's available in the event.target.file sub 0. So let me include that also. Okay, now our form data is ready. Let me consume the service here. So this dot service dot upload image, the form data, and let me subscribe it. See, still we are not implementing this progress bar. I tell you later once it's completed. So once the upload is completed, I have to load the grid, get product list, I mean get all products, and also I have to notify the user that is upload is completed. So for that I already imported this alertify.js in the top of that. So imported, and also we have to install some npm packages. So I already created the separate video for the alertify.js. I will share that video link also in the description, so you can watch and get more information. So here upload completed, or else uploaded successfully. We can give our own custom messages, that's fine. So let me verify whether it's working or not. So in the file loan, we can take this one, the cricket pad. Even my main listing also, we don't have any data here. Let me upload it. Here I'm selecting the file. Okay, I'm proceeding. See, now I got a message is called image uploaded. See, and let me go to my main grid so you can see the data. That's fine. That means our upload is completed successfully. Now I am going to implement the progress bar logic. That is a very important thing. For the progress bar also we have the components in our NG-Bootstrap. So in the progress bar, see, we have the different styles and the types of the progress bar. So I am going to use this strict progress bars. That is very interesting one. So you can see the style also looks good. If you are using the type is access, the green color, and based on the type it will changing the color. So we can use the first one is success. So let me go to the component. In the footer side I am going to include this one. So the style point of view I'm using the bootstrap. If you want to use some material UI something like that also you can use, it's your wish only. Okay, done. So you can see the preview first. See now our progress bar. So it's actually in the mid range. Okay, because if you see the value is default value is 25, that's what in the stage. So basically in the uploading time we will give some dynamic value, so it will change automatically. So let me do it. So instead of this hardcode value I am going to give the dynamic value here. We have the declared value is progress value. Let me give it here. And also whenever it's having the data, that time only it's required, otherwise it's not required. Okay, we have done it. Now we have to assign the values into the progress bar. For that we have to do our changes from our service itself. So in the upload image, after proceeding the some data, I mean the input, we have to give one more parameter kind of things. So in the object format, here we have to give this report progress. Okay, this is true. And the another one is observe. Here we need to pass the events. So okay, great. We have done our changes from our services. Let me move on the component. Okay. Here I'm going to command it everything first. Here I'm going to use the pipe. So in the pipe we will get the event information.
And the next thing is we have to catch the error also. If there is any error on the upload, we will get here. If upload is failed, we have to convey the user. So here also we can use the alertify. Instead of the success, we can use the error. Failed to upload. So here you can give your custom messages also, that's fine. And this is the success scenario. Here let me use the switch case. Switch of events.type. So my first case is like HTTP event type. Okay, fine. Here this upload progress. Here only I am setting values into this progress value, and I have to do some calculation also. So math dot round. So events dot loaded slash. I mean we are dividing into. So events dot total. So finally I multiply into 100. And our next case is, if you are moving to the next case, I'm going to break it. Here also same, the HTTP event type dot response. So in this case, I have to give this alert message, and also loading the grid. That activities I can do, and also I can break it. And the one more thing is we have to close the pop-up after some time. So let me use the timeout. After 2000 milliseconds, I am going to set this progress value into 0. So the functionality point of view, we have done it. Let me verify it now. So we can use this close option. So the preview is coming. Let me upload it. See, the progress bar is coming at the same time is uploaded also completed. So now the progress bar is gone. So let me upload this once again. But the progress bar is coming very quickly. We cannot see the progress, how much it's increasing. Okay. So for showing this one, I'm going to use the separate image. Actually, my file size is very low. That's what it's showing like this. So I have one image. It is around 7 MB. So let me upload it. See, when I am clicking this proceed, you go to see. So okay, once it's completed, we will get this notification also. So uploaded is completed, and we can verify. See, the image is added here also in our the main product listing. Okay, now we have done our basic changes. Let me verify in the welcome side also. The main image is added here also. That's fine because we are using the same service only. So now let me going to implement this remove functionality. Before that, I want to explain this API for the upload function. For this upload function, actually, I am using this API only in that it's completely written the .NET Core. Here I am going to upload one image. Let me choosing some other helmets. Okay, and if I'm clicking this proceed, so the request is coming here. So in the file section, you can see the file information. So the file name is 11. Actually, this is the product code I am passing, and the file length is, I mean, it's a byte format. The name we provided is the file is hard-coded value only. Once it's coming here, I am creating one for loop, and so again I am getting this file name also, and based on some logics, I am getting this actual path. So this is the path basically I am going to use. Okay. So in the get actual path method, you can see the uploaded products and this file name. So in the .NET Core Web API inside this www root, I have this upload and the product. Okay, and these are the product codes. Based on the product code only, I am creating this folder. So that also you can see. First, I am checking whether we have the particular path or not. If don't have an in path, it will create the path. That's what I'm added this line. Okay, so already we have the path. That's what it's not created. And the second one is our file name. So I've just hard coded so one.png. If required, you can give some your own name contents. The file also it's checking first whether we have a file in the folder. If already have a file, it will delete the file. That's it. Okay. So after that, it's creating the new file and saving into the particular folder. I mean the same path. Finally, returning the values the true. That's all about our upload service is doing. So finally, we are getting the response and we are previewing the data also. Even see for any of the product, the source we have the folder structure only, but we have the host. That's what it's mentioning. The host also the service host. That's it. Okay. The same way I'm going to implement this remove operation also. Remove for this remove, we already did changes in our service side. So let me consume it here. This dot service dot and what else? It's a remove image dot subscribe result dot. Okay, it's expecting the parameters. Okay, fine. So before doing this, we have to confirm the user. Do you want remove it? So I'm going to use the normal JavaScript popup only. Do you want remove the product? We have the product name already. Okay. Once it's approved, I mean we are clicking the yes, we are proceeding this remove functionality. So based on the response, we can check the conditions and give over the messages. But I'm not going to check anything. I'm just giving this let's access for the time consumption. We already crossed the time. The success image removed successfully. Okay, fine. And also we have to load the list. I mean get all products. That's it. Okay, great. First I'm going to remove this bat image. So when I'm clicking this remove button, I'm getting the message, do you want remove the product? Cricket bat. If you give OK, see the image removed successfully, and also the box you are getting this no image available. Okay. So here also we can check the process how it is from the service side. Okay, this is the service. So now I'm clicking once again. See, it's a cricket pad. So I'm getting only this 15 as our code. Okay, I'm getting the actual path. So again, the path is the www root uploads product. So inside that 15. So this is up to our path and our main file. Okay, here I'm just checking, do we have the file in the particular path with the name of 1.png? If it exists, I'm just deleting and returning as the path. That's it. So after that, we are showing this message, and also we are just loading this grid. So the grid automatically removing this image also. Even if I'm refreshing also, you can see. So okay, this is our main screen. Here also you cannot see this bat and pad images. Now let me try to upload once again. So instead of choosing the files from our file upload controls, we can select our files while clicking this image also. For that we have to do some one small change. Let me include it. It's not that much important, but I want to show you guys. That's it. So after the input, I'm going to use one label here. So in the label, I'm going to give the style is 100 percentage. I mean width 100 percentage. Okay, done. And I'm going to give one ID for this file upload. So after that, I can include this for. Okay, done it. So again, I'm coming to this cricket bat only. See, some design point of view, we have some alignment issue. So when I'm clicking this image also, we are able to browse everything. And here I'm choosing this cricket bat. If I'm trying to click upload, so it gets uploaded. In some scenarios, user may don't want to see this upload control. This is up to us. It's not a mandatory thing. Style display none. See now, basically we don't have an upload controls here, but we have the image. So whenever I'm clicking this image, it's just opening the files. Here I'm choosing this pad. I mean this pad. So the preview is done. I am proceeding. See, the upload is completed. So as of now, I just explained with an image only. If you want to continue with a different kind of files like Excel or WAD files, PDF also we can follow the same way. Might be you have the doubts like actually I'm hard coding this the file name, so that also we can pass it from our code itself, this file name. So actually I pass the product code. Instead of that, if you want give some file name also you can pass it. So after getting the file, whatever logic you want, that you're supposed to handle from our API side itself. Okay. So this is all about the file handling in Angular application. Still, if you have any doubts or clarification about this file handling and progress bar, just to post in the comment box. And also please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.